After that, when his son telling his father in a very shouted manner that can't you understand this, after that what his father did, his father went to his room and came back with a tattered diary. Tattered diary, the name of the chapter we have read earlier only. Tattered diary means torn diary. Torn means old and totally pages are torn diary, which he had maintained since his son was born. Like when his son was born, his son is now of 45 years. That means that diary is old as 45 years old diary. On opening a page, he asked his son to read that page. Okay, when he opened his diary and he tell what he asked his son, come on, read the diary. When the son read it, when the son was reading the diary, the following words were written in the diary. What was written there in the diary? Listen. Today, my little son, aged 3, was sitting with me on a sofa. Like his son, this person only, who shouted on his father while his father was asking him that what was on that, what was this, what was that on the window. Only his father asked him 4 times and he annoyed with that thing. Now, when his son was 3 years old, the same situation was at that time sitting on a sofa when Crow was sitting on the window. At the same thing, Crow was sitting on a window. Now also Crow was sitting on a window, and that time also the Crow was sitting on a window. My son asked me 23 times that it was a crow. How many times his son asked? 23 times, and now father is just asking him 4 times and he was shouting on his father, can't you understand me? His son asked him 23 times. I hugged him lovingly each time he asked me the same question, and his father hugged his son in a loving manner with lots of love for his son again and again. How many times? 23 times. Like each time when his son was asking the question, his father was hugging him in a loving manner and then replying him. I did not at all feel irritated. His father was not feeling irritated that time, but his son was feeling irritated this time. I rather felt affection for my innocent child. Innocent means, what is the meaning of innocent? Innocent means a soft hearted, like without having any knowledge of anything, because the child is only of 3 years, he is not having any knowledge. Okay, then his father was feeling affection for his child, while the little child asked him 23 times. His child asked him 23 times, what is this? The father had felt no irritation. He don't get angry with that question 23 times also. In replying to the same question all 23 times, when today father asked his son the same question just 4 times, the son felt irritated and annoyed. The father didn't felt irritated 23 times, but the same situation is right now. His father was asking him what was there, and son got irritated just after 4 times asking. So after that, what was there? Look at this picture. His son got tears in his eyes. He felt that we have to respect our elders. So the moral of the story is we have to respect our elders in a loving manner, in a caring manner. We show trust to them. We should encourage everyone. We have to be polite with them, and we have to be in a good relationship with our elder ones.